Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will try to explain you the difference between an AI agent and AI application. So let's try to understand first what an AI application are. Okay, so the example of an AI application is Grammarly. So in case of Grammarly, for example, you are writing an essay or you are preparing notes. What it's going to do is that it's going to look at the content that you are writing and it's going to give you suggestions and errors that you are making into your content and give you suggestion how to fix them. But it's not going to take that action itself. It needs your approval. You are performing the action and it's just assisting you in this process. So this is an example of an AI application where it is AI part is assisting you in taking decisions, but it's not taking decision itself. But if we compare it with AI agents are different. In AI agents, you are not going to take decisions, but those smart decisions are being taken by AI agents. Let's take an example of an investment agent. What it's going to do is that based on your past behavior and the goals that you set for your agent, maybe you set a goal of $100 investment per day. So it's going to take decisions on its own and it's going to invest every day $100 according to the budget that you have set, and it's going to assist you in the investment process. You don't have to provide any input for this. It's going to take decisions on its own. So AI agents are capable to take decisions on its own and they can perform actions. Similarly, there can be an AI agent to whom you can give an instruction to schedule a meeting tomorrow at 4 p.m. If you give them instruction, they will schedule an event for you. Similarly, you can tell your agent to give me a summary of whole of your schedule for next week. So what it's going to do, it's going to go to the Google Calendar and other calendars and see what is your schedule like, what are the tasks that you have for the next week. It's going to prepare a summary for you and share that with you. Okay, so AI agents are capable to take smart decisions, but AI applications are the one which gives you instructions, give you instruction on what to do in a particular situation, but you are the one who is going to take action on them.